fruit in my bowl. I have some apples, oranges, lemons, bananas, and strawberries. Now today I'm going to make Shichi a fruit salad. So let's start by cutting our fruit in half. Alright, so here's my apple. There we go. Half an apple. Alright, next, orange. Nice and juicy, isn't it? There's half an orange. Okay, lemons. I bet it's very sour. Here's half a lemon. Yellow banana. Alright. There we go. There's half a banana. And what about strawberry? Yum. Nice and red and juicy. There's half a strawberry. Now I've got one more fruit to cut. It's very heavy. Did you guess what it is? It's a watermelon. Whew. All right, let's cut this watermelon in half. Whew. I wonder what it looks like inside. I think it's very juicy. Almost there. It's very big, isn't it? Let's have a look. Wow, that's beautiful. And it smells so sweet. Yum.